In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. So as you see, I just have my regular ChatGPT browser open. If you look down here at the bottom left-hand corner, I do have the free version. You do not need a paid version to do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick this conversation here. And what you can do is go ahead and start a conversation or pick a recent one, doesn't really matter. And all I'm going to do is, as you see, I asked it for some questions and things like that. And the only thing you really need to do here is go ahead and ask for ChatGPT to convert this to a PDF. So let's go ahead and type this in. Can you convert this into a PDF file? And we will go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to take a couple seconds and see if it can do it. And as you see now, it gives me a PDF file. So go ahead and let's go ahead and click on that file. And it does show us a preview in ChatGPT itself, but you can go ahead and hit the download button here, and we could just download it to our browser. And then now, if I double click on this, now we have this on our actual desktop, so we can use for emails and anything like that. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to take conversations that you have with ChatGPT and convert them to downloadable PDF files.